Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to give your data that extra pop in Google Sheets, today's tutorial is perfect for you. I'm going to walk you through how to create a stylish 3D column chart in Google Spreadsheets, and we'll also cover how to edit and customize it so your data doesn't just inform, it impresses. By the end of this video, you'll be able to turn plain numbers into vivid, eye-catching visuals that are sure to stand out, whether it's for a school project, a business report, or just your own tracking. Alright, let's get started right away. First things first, you'll need some data to chart. Open your Google Sheet and take a moment to highlight the exact data you want to visualize. This step is crucial because Google Sheets uses whatever you've selected as the basis for your chart. Think of it like selecting the ingredients before you start cooking. A great dish starts with picking the right items. If you accidentally highlight some empty cells, don't worry. You can always adjust your selection before moving forward. Once your data is highlighted, look towards the top menu and click on Insert. This is where all your extra tools and goodies are tucked away. From the drop-down, click on Chart. Right away, Google Sheets will create a basic chart and pop up a panel on the right. Don't worry if your first chart isn't exactly what you wanted. This is just the starting point. Now on the Chart Editor panel, you'll see a section called Chart Type. By default, Sheets might pick something like a line chart or a stacked bar, but you want to click into the Chart Type menu and select Column Chart. You'll notice the chart on your sheet transforms straight away. The columns stand tall and clear, making comparisons instantly more obvious. Column charts are fantastic for showing changes over time or comparing things side by side, kind of like putting different brands of chocolate bars next to each other to see which one's the biggest. Now comes my favorite part, customizing your chart to make it uniquely yours. Take your cursor and double-click any of the bars or columns in your chart. This opens up the customization panel for that specific data series. You'll see an option to choose a different color. Pick one you like, maybe a bright blue for sales in January or a deep green for February. Repeat this step for every column in your chart. It might take a minute or two if you have a bunch of data, but it's absolutely worth it. Using distinct colors can make your data much easier to read, and it adds a personal touch, especially if you're presenting this chart to a group or adding it into a slideshow. Once your columns are colored and looking sharp, let's give the whole chart that 3D effect. While still in the Chart Editor panel, find the section called Chart Style. Right below that, you'll see a tiny checkbox labeled 3D. Go ahead and check that box. Instantly, your column chart will pop forward with that extra sense of depth and dimension, making it really stand out on the page. It's almost like your data is ready to leap right off the sheet. And that's it, you're all set. With just a few steps, you've gone from raw numbers to a custom, eye-catching 3D column chart in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Drop any questions or challenges you ran into in the comments. I'm always here to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.